This is the situation I have for now. Have this big old box. Have more boxes here and outside. Hi everyone, this is Sophia from the Duran Journal. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I am making Noah's Ark for Thiago's birthday. If you don't know, Thiago's turning 2 pretty soon. His birthday party theme is Noah's Ark. So I had the idea of making an ark and having the kids play in it. So I just collected a bunch of cardboard boxes and I was just gonna figure it out how to do it. And after a while of thinking, I think I have finally figured out what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna share a little bit with you guys how it turns out. So I have this really big box, and what I'm going to do, I'm gonna open it and get both sides together, and that is gonna be the front of the ark. And then I'm just gonna get other boxes and put them around it, and that will be this space where the kids are gonna play. Okay, so this is what it is looking like now. I kind of changed my mind and just cut the borders on the side, and I like it how it turned out. So this will be the front of the ark. I'm gonna cut out a door so the kids can go through, and that will be the front, and then I'll have other boxes going around. This is what I have so far. I'm actually pretty excited about it. I'm gonna put some, like a cloth that will be kind of like the door that the kids can go in and out. I'm gonna paint it, and it's gonna look so cute. For the paint, I went to Home Depot and I got 3 different samples, and the total came out to $12. So this is me setting up at the time of the party. If you have seen my video on Thiago's birthday party, you can see that clip too. I brought all the boxes and I set them up there. I glued 2 of them to stand up that door, and the rest I made them loose so the kids could play around with them. And I didn't know if I was gonna have enough paint for 2 other boxes, so I just covered it with craft paper. I used a blue tarp to pretend to be the ocean under the ark, and then I put also stuffed animals inside the boxes so the kids could play and pretend to be the animals, and they could make their own shapes. During the birthday party, I read a book about Noah's Ark to the kids, and we sat inside on the tarp inside the Noah's Ark, and the kids were all gathered there.
So what he did, the ark would carry 2 of every 2 by 2. Vamos colocar de volta. Vamos botar aqui.